I'll show you how you can hide the top navigation bar on Facebook. So on Facebook here, first off, you want to go to the 3-bar section on the upper right here. Just tap on that. Now, once tapping on that, go to settings and privacy. It might be collapsed just like this. So again, just find it. If you first come into here, just scroll down and you have to just tap on settings and privacy like this. And then just tap on settings like this. Now, on settings here, you want to scroll down until you find tab bar up here, right? So tap on tab bar and then click on customize the bar. Now, on customize the bar, you want to go to, like, all of these are auto, right? You want to make all of them hidden. Hide, and then hide, and then hide. Just make everything hidden. Again, hide, video hide, gaming hide, and then feeds hide. And then that's it. Your available tabs, now it's all hidden, right? Now let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Now you can see the tab bar is now hidden like that. Everything is hidden and that's it. You're done. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.